You like it?
What is that?
This is a pretend tooth, but I really want it to lure the tooth fairy in.
Well, what does that letter say?
It says, "Tooth fairy, can you please leave my tooth, but can you still give me $1?
Let me see. Let me see what this thing says. It says, "Please leave my tooth, but can you still give me $1?" So why do you think, here, come in front of the camera, why do you think the tooth fairy is going to leave your tooth and give you $1?
Because I'm a really good girl.
Really? And you think you're going to trick her by leaving a fake tooth?
Yes.
Where is it?
I'm making a new one.
Mm. And what is that red that you're putting on that?
It's blood because I saw some blood on my tooth.
Okay, well, we shall see what happens tomorrow morning.
I think they turn it into dream dust.
Do they?
Yeah, I bet they do.
Okay. All right.
I wouldn't be surprised if they did.
All
Wait, I gotta write one more thing. Where's my box? Tooth. Yeah, here's some magic.
What the heck is that you're drawing?
A tooth fairy.
All right. Well, let's see what she has to say in the morning, Kay?